Carol here from Tiny Space Health, and I'm here with Hannah.
Hello.
And today we're going to do easy-ish core workout for beginners. Yeah, come and join us.
Yeah,
let's go. Music.
Always got to use music.
Okay, come down to the floor. Okay, so we're just going to go up for 2 and down for 2. Just little crunches, up for 2 and down for 2. So tuck your chin in. Is that music loud enough, do you think, Hannah?
I think so.
Okay, let's do that.
No, we can always turn it up.
Okay, we're going to stay with that. So remember, you can have your hands here, you can have your hand here and just supporting your neck as you do it. And just keeping that little curve in your spine. Yeah. Okay, we can do a blink. Side abs, up for 2. I'm doing it away from the camera, it doesn't matter. Up for 2 and down for 2. You're not going to be hitting yourself there, are you?
I'll be fine.
We're squeezing in.
Tiny spaces.
So, as you're doing it, you're lifting up and your shoulder is reaching towards that knee. Okay? So we're lifting up, working through the side abs, or what they call the obliques, yeah? Let's change sides, Hannah. So we go up, 2, down 2. 2, down 2. So what we're going to do today, just keep going.
Will do.
I think we're going to have 4 more of these. Yeah, 4 more. So we're going to move things around. We're not going to stay in working one area, all the time, because it hurts too much. So we're going to move it around. Okay, let's lift the legs up. Here, cross them. We're going to go down for 2 and up for 2. So now we're working the lower abs. So we've just done these ones, and we're working the lower ones. So keeping the legs in closer towards your bottom is a little bit easier, isn't it, Hannah?
It is.
If you kick it away, it's a little bit harder. Okay, just one more. Put the legs down. Okay, to the middle. We're doing the middle ones. Up for 2, down for 2. Are you okay?
I'm good. You?
Yeah, I'm good.
Feeling it.
Okay, we're just going to do 4 of each. Okay, so obliques, first side, up for 2. Shoulder towards the opposite knee. Yeah? Elbow back. Okay, second side obliques, second side. So we're doing the same moves, but we're just shortening how many we're doing. So we can keep going. That's the idea. Hannah, you can move over a bit more towards me so you don't bash yourself. Okay, legs are up, in for 2, in for 2, back for 2. So try to push your lower spine down to the floor as you do this, yeah? So, if you find that a bit easy, what you do is you push the legs away a bit further. See, I'm doing that. Hannah's keeping them in close. Yeah? Are you?
I am keeping them in close.
Good.
I got a good one today.
Okay, legs down. We're going to go faster pace now, okay? Middle. We're going to do 8. So same move, just quicker. Okay, obliques, first side. Up. Shoulder towards knee. You don't have to smile. That's not going to happen much here, I think. Okay, second side. Shoulder towards knee. Lift. Are we good?
We're good.
Okay, hold it here. We're going to do glute bridges. Okay, so legs are in the right position for it, aren't they?
They are.
Ready? We're going to go up for 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Squeezing the glutes, down for 4. 3 and 4. Go. Up, 2, 3, 4. Always keep your eye gaze up here because it keeps your spine nice and straight. That's 3.
Yep.
Yeah. We do one more. Go. Up, 2, 3, 4, and down. Okay, that's enough for now. We're going to do a little break. We're going to have one leg in, other leg in. So keeping your shoulders down on the floor. A little bit of mobility. Now if you find that's hard enough, stay with it, okay? So the next level up is we're lifting the shoulders off the floor. Shoulders off the floor. Hannah, you stay down?
Yeah.
Okay, hands here if you want. So, to make that even a little bit harder, you can just sort of, as I'm tapping my foot down, just tapping it down. I'm not dropping all my weight down. I'm tapping it just lightly. Keeping shoulders off the floor. Nearly there. We're going to go back to the glute bridges in a sec. Ready? Okay, legs down, glute bridges. Here we go. Up for 4. 4, 3, 2. Squeeze down. So as we're doing it, we're squeezing the glutes, squeezing the thighs. Up. 3, 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. And again. We're just doing 4. 2, 3. Last one. Squeeze. Okay, bring those legs in one at a time. Bring it in. 1. Okay, working harder level. Hannah's staying there.
Yep.
You okay? She's
Yeah.
happy with that.
I'm very happy today.
Because usually I tell her the hard one. We're going to do 4. 3. Shoulders off the floor if you want to work harder. Yep. 2. 1. Are we going to flip over? Okay, we're going to flip over. Okay, come over. So we're going to start with alternate, I've got here, alternate arm and legs. So heads down, nose just graze the mat, ice cube under belly button. Up and up. So we're going opposite arm to leg. Are we good?
We're good.
I'm going to watch her for a minute. Yeah, she's looking good. Stay with it. Where are we? 4, 3, 2. So really pushing that foot away. You know what we're going to do? We're just going to do the Sphinx. We're going to come here and do a stretch for our back. We're going to push up, stretch for the back. Pulling in through the belly button. Now, if you want to, you can stay there. Or if not, we're going to do a plank. Yeah, but not on the toes, just on the knees. So just from there, come here. Hold
yeah.
it. You're going to do it with me.
I'm going to do it.
Yeah. And you keep your bottom down, okay? Not here, down. Hold it. We're just at beginner level, so we're staying here for a little bit longer. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back down. Alternate arm and leg. Straight in, straight in. Lift. Really push that foot away. Keep your head down. Abs braced. Ready for Sphinx?
Yeah.
Sphinx. Stretch out your back. Hold it here. So remember, if that plank was too hard for you, just stay here, okay? Yeah?
Yeah.
But not you. Come on. Knees. Bottom stays down. So as you're doing the plank, you're pulling in through your belly button. Yeah. You can go back to plank, go back to Sphinx if you want. So see, you can go back to Sphinx if you want, or you can stay with me. Yeah? Is she happy? That's a smiley face, I think, isn't it? Come on. 4, 3, 2. What are we doing? We're going to turn over. That's enough planks.
Yeah.
Come back down. Ready? We're back to here. Now remember what we did at the start? We did these ones. 2, down, 2. But you know what we're not? We're going to do singles. Here we go. Singles. So just moving the exercises around so we don't get too exhausted. Yeah? Okay. Obliques. Shoulder to knee. Shoulder to knee. Really lift up through that shoulder. 4, 3, 2, other side. we got next? We got the lower abs, haven't we?
Lower abs.
Yeah.
The tummy toes.
Yeah. Okay, here we are. Down for 2. Up for 2. So here we're trying to imprint the spine on the floor. We're trying to just keep that spine imprinted. Do you feel it?
I feel it.
Out, in. Remember, harder is legs away, easier, legs closer. Just 4 more. 4 more. I've lost track. Is it 2?
I think so.
Okay, changing it here. Hold it here. We're going to reach. Other side. So reaching towards the ankle. Try to keep your shoulders off the floor. We're really trying to push it for the last bit of the workout. Out and towards the ankle. Other side. Sorry, you're bashing your head into that day bed, aren't you?
Tiny spaces.
Okay, come back to the middle. Hold it. Pulse. Because we work hard at the end, don't we?
Always
working hard. Do you remember that one when we lift the legs up?
Yes, I do.
Head down. Lift the legs in. So just moving things around, working the whole core. That's when we went to the back, we did the plank. So you can stay with this, or kind of stay with it, or keep your head up. And remember, to make it harder, just tapping the foot to the floor. Just feeling it. Oh gosh, that's hard. Why did I decide to do that? Legs down, pulse. Stay up the top. Come on, up the top. 4. Come on, 3. Lift. 2 and 1. Okay, quick stretch. Well done. Thanks for joining us. And if you need a proper stretch, just find one of our other videos with the stretches.
Yeah.
Have fun, and we'll see you later.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Carol here from Tiny Space. I've just forgot what I was going to do. That.
Easy core beginner workout.
Okay,